Is it bad?
The groundhog did come out here.
Is it bad?
I'll put it on the post.
Is it bad, baby? You want it? How bad? How bad? Yeah. Is it that bad? Is that what you want?
Eat.
She's so mean.
I know. She goes and puts her ass in his face.
You want it? You want it? Huh? Hey, Santos. You want it?
Look at what a whore.
Hey, you want it? Yeah. You want it? You want it? Huh? Santos.
He's not even paying attention.
No, he's watching her go.
You want it? Yeah. Is it bad?
All the blue balls.
Bad. Oh.
She's so mean.
I know. It's because she's trying to get him to walk over there.
Such a bitch. He's such a good boy. He is. He's such a good boy.
She's like, come on, Santos. And he's like, I can't. I can't. Dad's watching.
I know.
Dad's watching.
He's such a good boy.
Look at her. She's a whore.
She's teasing him all
She is.
Bitch.
Lily? Do you want some? Do you want vagina? Do you want vagina? She's watching her too.
Baby is like
A
the
whore.
queen of the house.
She is a whore. She has both the dogs all up in arms.
Go.
It's because she's wearing that little skirt. That's why.
Let's go.
I think
Yeah. Bye.